Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ditendra, I am preacher of Bhagavad Gita. Today I am going to talk about Andha Atmastram. Andha Atmastram, flogging. This is punishment which is mentioned in Garuda Puran. This is one of 28 type of deadly punishments which are mentioned in Garuda Puran. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Garuda Puran. This is Garuda Puran and this is a best translation of Garuda Puran in English. And I would say Garuda Puran is a best version and best book for we all have to read throughout our life, because many people would have a wrong perception. Many people would have a wrong belief on Garuda Puran. People would have a belief that Garuda Puran we have to read at the time of our death, or our particular person, our particular beloved person death. But it is not true. We all have to read Garuda Puran throughout our life, because we can learn many things from Garuda Puran. We can learn how to do administration. We can enrich the moral and values in our character from Garuda Puran. We can learn how to develop a jewels, how to make us jewelries, and how the importance of the rock, saligram, about importance of the many things we can learn from Garuda Puran. And I am going to talk about Andha Atmastram. Andha Atmastram. This is punishment which is mentioned in Garuda Puran. The particular this punishment is made for the crime. The crimes are the soulmate, husbands and wives who cheat their partner in a relationship are punished with the Andha Atmastram penalty. The particular person, soulmate, whoever cheat with each other, the partner each means partner to each other. The husband cheat to wife and wife cheat to husband. It's one kind of adultery relations, means extramarital affair. The particular person who is keeping extramarital affair, the particular person who cheat his partner, the particular man who cheat his partner, and the woman who cheat her partner. This punishment under Atmastram which is given to the particular crime. Perhaps the most of the people during this modern time, listen it very carefully, most of the people in this modern time would have extramarital affair. This is a damn sure, and this punishment is liable for each and every person in this modern life. And in this modern life may get a punishment punished with this penalty, as very often we go through a story of divorce and many other unethical practice of the relationship, who treat their partner well when there is a need of them for the profit or pleasure. If we are treating our partner very well, then this punishment is the person who is cheating her or his partner, that particular person is liable for this kind of punishment. This punishment name is Andha Atmastram. This penalty is given for the unethical relation or extramarital affair even after a religious marriage, even after a rightful marriage with particular husband and wife. So the soulmate, the particular person who has cheated his soulmate or her soulmate, the particular person is liable for this kind of penalty, this kind of punishment. And the unethical practices of the relationship are here mentioned in the particular Garuda Puran. And the penalty for this particular Garuda Puran, the particular crime is, most of the penalty under the Andha Atmastram are similar to that of the Tamishram, while it involving the agonizing threshes by the tying of victims fast with ropes and make them fall down unconscious circulations in abyss. मतलब ये प्रकार की जो हस्बैंड अपनी वाइफ को चीट करता है, जो वाइफ अपने हस्बैंड को चीट करती है, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर रखती है, एडल्ट्री करती है और एडल्ट्री करता है, उनके लिए उनकी आंख निकाल ली जाती है, उनके ऊपर चाबुक से इतना मार मारा जाता है जब तक वो अनकॉन्शियस ना हो जाए. दिस इज कॉल्ड अंध आत्मास्त्रम. उनकी आंखें निकाल ली जाती, क्योंकि दूसरे व्यक्ति के ऊपर बुरी नजर डालते हैं, दूसरी व्यक्ति के ऊपर बुरी नजर डालते हैं, उनके साथ एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल इलीगल इलेजिटिमेट रिलेशन रखते हैं. उनके लिए दिस पनिशमेंट इज गिवन टू पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. जो अपने सोलमेट होते हैं, जो अपनी वाइफ होती है, हस्बैंड होते हैं, उनके साथ बेवफाई करते हैं, उनको धोखा देते हैं, उनके लिए पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. उनकी आंखें निकाल ली जाती है, उनके अंदर हंटर से मारा जाता है और उनके लिए ऐसे भी है, मतलब उनके ऊपर हाथी, घोड़े, बहुत जाइंट एनिमल उनके ऊपर थ्रेस किया जाता है, उनके ऊपर चाबुक से मार मारा जाता है, उनके लोहे से उनको मार मारा जाता है। इस पनिशमेंट ऐसे व्यक्ति को दी जाती है जो अपने वाइफ को चीट करता है। इवन आफ्टर मैरिज के बाद अपनी सोलमेट को, अपनी वाइफ को चीट करता है, इस व्यक्ति के लिए पनिशमेंट दी गई है, मेंशन की गई इन गरुड़ पुराण। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अंध आत्मास्त्रम, द पेनल्टी which one is mentioned in Garuda Puran. And I hope you all can understand. For having any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.